So let's dive into how to set up two-factor authentication and take control of your online security. So in order for you to start, you want to make sure that you're logged in into your account. You want to click on your profile picture in the top corner, and then you want to click on manage your Google account. And you want to make sure that you navigate to the security settings where it says how you sign into Google. Here it is, two-step verification, and then you want to click on that, scroll down, and then you want to find getting started. And what will happen is that Google will guide you on getting started, so you want to follow the setup process. So you're going to log into your account, and now we're into the second step of your verification. And on my screen, so it's suggesting that I use my phone for the second step to sign in. But for you, what you may have the option is between a text message, a phone call, or even Authenticator app. So what I'm going to do is scroll down and click continue. Then on this screen is where I can then select which method I want to use as my verification. It's got a section above where it says I can enter my mobile number, and then down here it says how do you want to get codes. So I can get codes either sent by a text message or phone call. So remember, this is your second step. So you're signing into your emails your first, this is your second step, just to verify who you are. So I want it sent via text. So it's already in there, but my mobile number, click send. It's now processing my number. And of course you want to have your number on hand, and then it sent me my verification code. So I'm going to enter that in now. And once you enter that in, you click next. And then what will happen if you're using your mobile, it will send a confirmation via your email. So you can see here it says turn on two-step verification. The second step is your Google prompt default. The backup option is your voice or text message. So it's just confirming everything that I've already set up. So you'll sign in with this particular email address on your Apple phone, and it's quite specific which type of phone you have. And then this is where you can turn it on. Like I was saying before, you're going to get lots of verification sent to your phone or via your email address. And then here, it's just confirming. Here, two-step verification is on, the date that I turned it on, and if I want to switch it off, I've got the option of turning it off right now. And again, it's showing me all my steps that I've gone through to get this verification. So that way, if anyone does this on your behalf, this is something that you can observe and see where this has all happened. So now what you can see as I scroll down is, since I've completed the setup, it's also giving me the option for backup options. So I would say it's so important to set up your backup options, and this could be a backup phone number, a backup codes that Google provides, and it's crucial in case you lose access to your primary phone. So imagine if I did lose my phone. So to do your backup, all I'm going to do is click my options, and I actually have the Authenticator app on my phone, so I'd rather use that than any backup codes. So I'm going to click that, and now it says instead of waiting for text messages, get verification codes from Authenticator app. So I love that option, so I'm going to set that up. So what you want to do is grab your phone. You've already downloaded the Authenticator app. Once you open the Authenticator app, you'll see on the bottom right hand corner a square with a plus sign. You want to click it because you need to scan. So, and then when you click on it, it has two options: enter a setup screen or a QR code. Then I'm going to scan the code, and once that's scanned, you can click on the screen and click next. Now that I've scanned that code, what you find is that Google will now appear in my list, as you can see on my screen, and then code will be changing all the time. So I'm going to enter the code that's currently within the Google section, and now that's done. And again, whilst that's all going on, you're also going to receive lots of updates in your email account stating what you have done, which I love. And there you have it, a simple but powerful way to protect your Gmail account with two-factor authentication. Taking a few minutes to set this up can save you from potential headaches and security breaches in the future. Stay safe online and make sure to subscribe for more tips on securing your digital life.